There is a light bulb in a California fire station that has been burning without stopping since 1901. 120 years. Non-stop. So why does the bulb in your kitchen last 1 year? Because in 1924, a secret group of the world's most powerful companies held a private meeting, and they made a decision that affects every single product you own today. Stay with me because by the time we get to the end of this video, you will never look at your phone, your printer or your TV the same way again. December 23, 1924, 2 days before Christmas, Geneva, Switzerland. While the rest of the world was hanging Christmas lights, the world's biggest light bulb companies were meeting in secret. Philips, Osram, General Electric, all in the same room. The meeting was short because they'd already agreed on a plan before they arrived. They were forming what became known as the Phoebus Cartel, named after the Greek god of light, and their mission, to deliberately make their own product worse. On purpose. Here is the part that will make your blood boil. In 1924, light bulbs already lasted 2,500 hours. The technology existed, it worked. But the cartel hired engineers and spent years deliberately reverse engineering the bulb to make it fail at exactly 100 hours. And here's the most outrageous detail: they set up a testing laboratory in Switzerland. Every factory had to send bulbs there regularly, and if your bulb lasted more than 1,000 hours, you were fined. Companies were literally penalized for making a product that was too good. Let that sink in. The plan worked perfectly. Sales exploded, and the idea spread like wildfire beyond light bulbs. Car manufacturers in the 1920s started doing the same thing, designating vehicles with parts that were out on a schedule to force rapid purchases. The fashion industry invented seasonal collections not because fashion changed, but to make last season's clothes feel old. A strategy born in a secret Geneva hotel room in 1924 quietly became the business model for almost every industry on Earth. They even gave it a name: planned obsolescence. Now here is where it gets personal. And this is the part I need you to stay with me for. In 2017, Apple was caught deliberately slowing down older iPhones through software updates. Their explanation: battery health. The court's explanation: a multi-million-dollar settlement paid to customers. HP printers are programmed with smart chips that block your cartridge from printing even when ink remains inside. Courts have ruled on this. Lawsuits have been filed. And your smart TV? Manufacturers stop software updates after just a few years, not because the hardware is broken, but to push you toward a new model. The Phoebus Cartel dissolved in 1940, but what they invented never went away. But here is the twist, and this is the part that actually gives me hope. The European Union has just passed the right to repair law coming into force in 2027, legally requiring manufacturers to make your products repairable. From 2025, every smartphone sold in Europe must display a repairability score in the box. And by 2027, phone and earbud battery must be replaceable by law. 100 years after the Phoebus Cartel decided your products should break, governments are finally fighting back. And that light bulb in California? Still burning. It has never been replaced. Not once. One secret meeting. 100 years ago. And it is still costing you money today every time your phone slows down, your printer jams, and your TV becomes unsupported. Now you know. Share this with someone who needs to see it, because most people have no idea this is happening. Which product are you most angry about? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Subscribe to Tech Simplified Pro for more tech truth like this every single week. See you in the next one.